Hello everyone, you're looking at a 2002 Mercury Cougar. Just back from the dent shop. As you can see, the rear quarter of the car has been worked out as much as it can be by a dent shop, and also there was a dent underneath the door line, and some of that is gone. So there were a number of dents in this car, so I'm very pleased with the work. It was done by this company right here, Nomadic Paintless Dent Repair, here in Greenville, Greer, South Carolina. Anyway, they did a great job, and getting ready to go to the paint shop next. That's our next stop. So anyway, I'm about to load the car on the trailer from their store, and like I said, it did a good job. Turned it over in about 2 or 3 days, and so I know they worked hard on this car because it had a lot of dents. But once the paint is done, it will look perfect, since you have a good surface to work with. So just want to do this quick little update before I got put on the trailer and take it to the body shop. So anyhow, I hope your project is going well, and remember, preparation is the key to get the best paint job that you can possibly get. So anyhow, that's all for the 2002 Mercury Cougar, and stay tuned for further updates. So this being part, I believe this is part 5 of the update. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Should be more soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.